Whenever I go close to nature, I took my phone out and start capturing the beauty of it in every little way possible. Recently I went to my nani's farmhouse to eat fresh guavas. वो पेड़ पर चढ़कर भी खाना is totally a different feeling, right? Those moments are memorable. Now I want to showcase it in an aesthetic form. So let's get started with the clips and images I took there. I organized the images and video clips in a folder. Now firstly I added the color grade and texture grain of images in Lightroom mobile app, because the app has some free features, and for web PC it isn't free at all, and the free app is also pretty good and handy. There are so many options, just try it once and definitely you will use it every time. Okay, so now open the DaVinci Resolve video editor software. It's free to download. You can go on its official website and download it. Don't be afraid by the interface of it. We just need to use normal elements. This is a cut page. Here add the clips and then go to the edit page. Over here use this blade to make cuts in the video, or you can also set keyboard preferences. I use A to make cuts and Shift plus D to delete the selected clip. Also, you can add the text from here. Select subtitle and change the text from the inspector panel. Also, go to the track and here you can play with the text look. Plenty of good video transitions are also available in DaVinci Resolve. Now let's try one filter which I like to use sometimes to give a brownishness. Okay, it's not suitable to use here. Now let's use one trick. Go on Figma and make a rectangle. Set the dimensions as 9:16 or width 1080, height 1920, the vertical format. Make one small rectangle inside it. Fill the outside rectangle with black. Inside it, make a smaller rectangle with different color. Make the stroke of the smaller rectangle as 0. Remember, before you enter on this, make sure the smaller rectangle is at the bottom. After entering on exclude selection, you got this nice window view frame to make a cinematic aesthetic vibe reel. Bring it to the DaVinci and place that PNG image on top of the video clips on the cut page. Drag it till the end. Now let's color grade the video clips a little bit. I'm going towards a yellowish tone to make it look cinematic. I'm not using so much of it right now. Okay, it's pretty good. Lastly, add a music of your choice. You can use free stock music from Mixkit or NCS or Pixabay, and there are some more options available. Finally, go to the deliver page. Check all the render info before adding to render queue. Make sure if you added subtitle in your video, then don't forget to check the subtitle settings. Now enter on add to render queue, then enter on that render all. It's done. Enjoy the final result.